In this video, I'm going to show you how to do when a credit card has a parent account and a, well, we call them parent-child, they're sub-accounts of one, where one credit card account takes the payments, the other one shows the expenses. This frequently happens with Bank of America. So the account I'm in now, see, these will never be the same amounts. Very rarely. You can get them to be the same amounts, but not generally. Um, because we have to make manual entries in order to do the reconciliation with these. So if we go back over here and we find the credit card accounts, so I reconcile them both. You don't have to, it's up to you. It's just better practice that way. So this one, I'm going to just go back out and act like I'm starting over. So they also have the statements in here. So you can look at the statements. Pretty much what you're going to do here is when you start reconciling, you're going to see that there's a difference. These statements always show up in the corp account. So this would be the parent account, so to speak. So we have to manually transfer these charges from the child account to this account. So I'll go back to save for later. And then you go back to the credit card register, excuse me, and you go to the other credit card. So this one I also reconcile just to keep it in line. So we're reconciling for May. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add a transfer from this. You can do a manual journal entry as well. That's really not a big deal. So I'm just going to go back to the end of May, and we're going to transfer I think I copied it, to basically we're paying this account off for that period of time. So this is going to go back to the corporate account and hit save. Now we can go back to reconcile, and you go back to the corporate account. Now we resume reconciling, and then you're going to click this. Um, Luckily, this customer doesn't have a bunch of transactions, so it's not as difficult, but you can get into larger accounts where there's heavy usage, and then it can get a little more detailed, so to speak. So then I'm also going to go back to the child account, and this is going to be back at 0. I forgot the date of this one. This is 6/7. So we're going to go back to this one and we're going to do the same thing. This should be 0 on 6/7/2026. Start reconciling. And then once you click this one goes to 0. Should always be a 0 here. You don't want to force the reconciliation, because if you do, then you're going to have to go back and fix it before the tax return gets fixed.